the most expensive house in the world is neither in America nor in Europe. It is in the city of Mumbai, India. The 27-story building is the private residence of Indian business tycoon Mukesh Ambani, known as Antilia. According to several estimates, the price of this house is $2 billion, which is 15,000 crores. But many people believe that not Antilia, but Buckingham Palace is the most expensive house in the world, because the value of Buckingham Palace is $5 billion, but Buckingham Palace is a crowded property, while Antilia is a private house. If it is said that Antilia is the most expensive private house in the world, it wouldn't be wrong. What is it about this luxurious house that makes it called the most expensive house in the world? You will find out in today's video. This house has several rooms with double height ceilings, which makes this 27-story building look like a 50 or 60-story building. On the first 6 floors of Antilia, there is a luxurious car parking area. This car parking area can accommodate 170 cars at the same time. Many of you may know that Mukesh Ambani is very fond of luxury cars, and his car collection includes 168 cars. In addition to this luxurious car parking area, there is also a car service station in this house, where only the Ambani family's cars are serviced. If you don't feel like traveling by car, the option of a helicopter is always open, because there are 3 helicopter pads on the roof of Antilia. The car parking area leads to a grand lobby where there are not 12, but a total of 9 elevators. Apart from the Ambani family, if anyone wants to go up in these elevators, they only stop on the floor that has access. Above that, there is a recreational center spread over 2 floors. It has a swimming pool, gymnasium, juice bar, dance studio, and yoga studio. As you go up, you will find a spa salon and a massage room, along with a very large, luxurious hall that can be used for various events. When it comes to entertainment, this house also has a cinema where 50 people can sit and enjoy a movie. This house features bays, terraces, and balconies where you can see plantations. And there are also plantations on the walls of Antilia, aimed at keeping the walls and rooms cool during the hot season. Speaking of cold, let me tell you that in June and July, when the temperature in Mumbai reaches 40 degrees Celsius, there is a part of Antilia that experiences -10 degrees. Yes, this house has a winter wonderland that creates artificial snow with the help of a snow generator, allowing you to enjoy snow even in the scorching heat. This luxurious structure has been designed by Chicago-based architectural firm Pankaj and Wells, while the interior design has been done by Australian company Simic Group. But the surprising thing is that this 4 lakh square feet building was built for the residence of only 5 people, i.e. Mukesh Ambani, his wife Nita Ambani, and their 3 children. But what is even more surprising is that for the service of these 5 people and for the care of this luxurious house, a staff of 600 people has been kept, which includes chefs, cleaners, drivers, security, staff, electricians, and plumbers. For the residence of these 600 people, 1 complete floor is dedicated in Antilia, where all the staff lives. Mostly marble, crystal, and pearls have been used in the construction of this house. Along with having all the entertainment and facilities of the world in one house, a temple is also present in this house, and statues of many Hindu countries are also present in this house. Mukesh Ambani is the owner and chairman of Reliance Industries, and is also called the richest person not only in India but in the whole of Asia. Mukesh Ambani contributes a major part of the exports of India, which is the 2nd largest country in the world in terms of population, which is indeed a great achievement. And because of this, Mukesh Ambani is included in the list of the richest people in the world. Yes, Mukesh Ambani, the owner of $52 billion, i.e. 3,900 billion rupees, comes at number 15 in the list of the world's richest 3 people. If you want to know where Mukesh Ambani spends all his wealth, then please like this video. If this video gets 100 likes, I will make a video on this topic as well. And if you know anything more about this house, please do let us know in the comment section below. See you in the next amazing video.